Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys an in-stock Scout 177 Sportfish that just arrived. This is a model that we can deliver soon. This boat has we have a magic tilt trailer underneath this one and the Scout White. We have the Yamaha 90 upgrade, excuse me. So the standard is a 70. We've upgraded this one to the 90 package. In my opinion, that's the best all-around package for this particular boat. We did opt this one with trim tabs. So those are tucked recessly underneath there. At the helm, we have a standard battery switch, digital tacks, tiltable helm from Lumar, and as well as this boat has the Fusion stereo with 4 JL audio upgraded speakers, 2 in the front, 2 are here in the back. Underneath this back jump seat, or this helm seat, excuse me, we have dedicated Igloo storage. That's a 94 quart Igloo, as well as tackle station, as well as knife and plier storage, and then storage on both port and starboard side. Moving forward, we have the standard live well. We got 6 vertical fishing rod racks there as well. Half windscreen, gives a nice little sleek look. Standard trolling motor plug. And then we have our forward locker with dedicated bucket storage. Sorry, we've got our prop down there. You can see that. If you guys have any questions about this particular boat or you'd like to purchase this particular boat, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Guys here at MarineMax in Charleston.